So this is wave lift over Watsonville Airport. Santa Cruz off in the distance. One Charlie Hotel straight ahead of me, and actually a handful of gliders in the air around here. Everybody's up having fun. As well they should be. Beautiful day.
Something warm and soft just passed through here.
Okay, I'm right over Watsonville Airport, 1100, 11,000. That's right, we can get the two GGs in the same picture. Alright, looks like a miniature P-51.
Okay, I'm shooting video of both of you now, and I'll get some stills too. Off your left wing bucket.